welcome to Cultured Bae TV. It's your girl Shan, and I wanted to record this video so you guys could get to learn a little bit about me. So my friend Joelle will be interviewing me and asking me a few questions so you guys could just to get to know me just a little bit more. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.
Wait, what's going on? We already started. We're recording. Really? Okay, so what's your favorite color?
I wouldn't say I have a favorite color, but if I should choose, I would choose army green, olive green, money green.
Oh, so
I love
money.
green.
You like anything green, money, stuff.
Green means growth. So I love green. It represents growth. New start, beginning. I like green.
I like how that sounds. So, speaking of new start, beginning,
Oh God.
growth. What's the purpose of this channel?
Well, I do have some ideas. There are a lot of things that I'm good at. I'm thinking about makeup. First thing first, I love to do my own makeup. I don't like
to tell. It looks good. That was all you, or somebody else did that, or?
I did this.
That
Look,
was you.
this is kind of a natural look today.
So, well, here's a better question. What inspired you to do this?
When I thought about makeup, I thought about when I wanted to do makeup at first, and I didn't have any help. I didn't know what to do. I went to YouTube and I learned a lot, and I felt like it's a good idea to give back. That's kind of where it's coming from. And also, I just want to challenge myself and do something different and out of the box in terms of something that I probably wouldn't do. It's kind of, this is uncomfortable.
What,
So-
doing an interview?
And just opening up myself to people that I don't know. So this is a challenge for me. So let's see where it goes.
Speaking of those, I mean, tell us, where do you see yourself? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Let's just keep it. I was gonna say 10, but let's just say 5 years.
Okay. I'm looking forward to the next 5 years.
Okay.
Because in the next 5 years, I definitely see myself being a licensed or a certified physician assistant. I do see myself 5 years from now definitely doing some serious traveling. Like serious traveling. I'm trying to make up for lost time. So
Okay. You know, like when you're speaking, you kind of have like a little accent. What's your background?
can't you tell?
Listen, I mean, are you Haitian?
Yeah.
Uh,
The best island in the Caribbean.
okay, so you're from Jamaica. Why didn't you say that before?
You got it right.
Okay.
Because you should know.
Actually, okay. You know what they want to know? They want to know, do you have a boyfriend?
No,
No.
I don't.
Okay. Obviously by choice, or you want to know.
Yes.
Do you have any kids?
Yes.
How many?
I have a fabulously beautiful daughter
Okay.
named Suhaila, or Susu. She is the light of my world.
How old is she?
She's 3 years old.
Nice.
Yeah, she is my... No. So let's go back to the question when you asked what really inspires you.
Okay.
Because she inspires me. I don't know how I forgot about that, but she is the energy, the force, the drive, the motivation behind everything that I've been doing and will be doing. So she's just my everything.
Sounds good. I mean, well, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing and hearing more from you. Just seeing how the development of your channel, where it goes. If you have some ideas, I obviously not disclose it to the camera, but I think you're going places. So let's see what happens. Is this all you?
Yes, this is my lovely hair. But yes, this is my.
Did you ever lock up?
Ever lock up?
I mean, you see how
I would love to. I would love to, but to me, when I see locks, I see permanent. I know you can do many things. I hear the whole spiel. And I know you can do beautiful styles with locks. I love locks. I want to do it, but I want to do it after I explore and do a lot of stuff with my own hair like this first. And then I'm like, I love locks.
So we'll be seeing more styles from you.
Yes, 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 yes. Today I'm like this. Tomorrow I'm like Kim Kardashian.
Kim Kardashian? Like, in what way?
My hairdo, I just switch it up. Switch it up. Something pink, purple, blue, straight, braids, wig. So you never know what you get.
This next question might divide your viewers, but I'm all about introducing a little conflict. My next question is iPhone, Apple or Android?
Definitely Apple.
Since
Definitely iPhone.
Have you had, I mean, first off, have you had both or?
Yes, I was an Android user for years. And I've been an iPhone user for about 4 weeks or 2 months. About 2 months. Yeah, and I'll never go back. It's like when you're black, you don't never go back. When you hit iPhone, you never go back. It's true though.
Yeah. Okay, well, I mean, I think we just
Sorry.
lost a whole bunch of Android users, so you know. Anyway,
I love you, Android.
we're not going to go into politics. This is not that type of, we're not even going to talk about that. You're Jamaican anyway. You no business with that, right?
On my personal time, I do like
Okay.
to just, I'll watch the CNN or whatever. I follow it a little bit, but it's important though because it affects my life. So it's good to be aware of it. So I try to be aware, but I try not to discuss with others. I just don't want to walk around like a Zozo or a Bobo or what do they call it? Bozo? Cloud? Not knowing what's going on. I want to be aware, so I'm aware, but I won't have to sit and have a conversation about it.
Fair enough. How many tattoos do you have?
Let's say I have more than 7 tattoos. I don't remember. I honestly I can't recall right now. I have more than
7. Alright, this one.
10.
What's that?
So this is a treble clef. This is a treble clef. I love music, so that's why I do it. I love music. I mean, I can't say that I'm a singer or I'm a songwriter, but I enjoy music.
Arts.
I enjoy the therapeutic aspect of music and what it can do for you. So. Music helped me to get through a lot of troubling times, emotional times. See what I'm saying?
Alright, so now we're officially wrapping up the interview.
Yeah.
Yes. Anything else that you want to disclose to the viewers out there? Millions of viewers.
Okay.
Why? Alright, I have a better question. Why should they subscribe to your page?
Well, for one thing, you're never gonna be bored. You'll always be entertained. You'll always learn something. You'll always leave my page or you will always leave my page with something valuable that you could use in your daily life. And you'll be informed. I don't know. Just expect multiple topics, discussions. For example, makeup, men, dating, cooking, and fashion, and eating healthy.
Well, if there's anything else.
Is there anything else you want to know about me, Joel? Or is there anything you want to know?
I think that's a wrap. Signing off.